I would say less than 100 meters from the river. So yes, it's very close. And in 1966, the river broke its banks just in front of the library. So we were very unlucky. The whole building was soaking wet. Just to give you an idea, we had mushrooms growing into the building on the upper floors. The mud angels that just cleaned their hands on the walls because they had no way of getting clean any other. They had no other way.
You know, they called so many students and people, like local people, to help them. They all like trying to work together and save all these treasures, and it's really moved me. And they have like the photos. They trying to remember this date and trying to teach the future students and train the students to be the future masters of do the restoration works, and it's so cool.
The whole restoration process was so in-depth, and all the technology and all the sort of scale around it was really interesting. It's kind of a world I didn't really know about.
This is something still coming from 18th century. There are layers of wood.
I never realized that, you know, this was an actual career. I had never heard of it before now, and I might have gone into this maybe if I didn't do architecture. I had no knowledge of its existence.
We have pictures of the flood.
I really love the studio kind of environment that they have, which is similar to architecture. Tools all over the tables, and I really enjoyed finding the beauty in the dilapidation of the books. They were obviously very messed up, but they were just very artistic pieces.
Like it's really helped me a lot, and to learn more about this culture and also this ethnic groups like Italian people, how they treasure their traditions and ancient culture.